Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to turn off camera watermark on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on camera. Then from here you have to click on this three line. Okay, after that you have to move on setting. Then from here you are going to find the camera watermark. So click on the watermark. Then here is the device watermark. It has been set on, so if you want to off this one, click on this icon and the device watermark will be set off. Okay, so if you want to on again, you can click on this icon, the device watermark will be set on. Okay, and if you want to on or off, it says add timestamp on photos. You can add time also if you want to add. If you want to off, you can off it. Okay, if you want to on, you just on the right side. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.